Hey everyone. Me and Mr. B down on the river. So far, a broken Adena base. But I thought he had a piece of styrofoam here back up in the logs, but I doubt it. He told me to pull it if I wanted, but man, shame about that tip. But I ain't gonna pull it because he's taller than I am. He can reach better. Alright, go ahead and grab her out of there, and I'll pull one of your stunts and Kenny's stunts. I'll look around for some stuff. Man.
I don't know if that's turkey tail or not. What do you think?
I don't think that's a turkey tail. It sure looked like one laying there in the dirt, didn't it?
Mm-hmm.
It has some kind of bulbous base. Tip or similar to a Beacon Island. But
A little rough.
that's okay. It's a find. But if we get anything else, or if he gets anything else,
Is that something else up there at Lake Hen?
I don't know. I looked over at that before when I was panning around, but I don't think so. I better check it out, huh? By golly, you know something? That almost looks like a base. Are you gonna crawl in there?
Is you talking about that?
Yeah, what is it, styrofoam? Yeah, well, of course. That's my luck. Oh, well. If we find any more, we'll show you. All right. Talk to y'all later. Bye now. Well, we're back. I'm sure you can probably see it, even with me walking around. But it's a broke one. It would have really been nice. But, story of my life. Yeah, that's all I do is complain. Oh well, this thing is really ground down up here towards the tip. But, stick it in my pocket and just keep going. Alright guys, until next time. Well, finally walked across another one. Gotta get it before it gets washed back into the water. Got a little damage on the base, I think, but it's looks like an Adena. Well, tell you what, it looks like it's worked that way. That ain't broke at all. Well, not the most beautiful thing you ever seen, but I will sure take it. Alright, and Mr. B's walking up high. I'm down here on the edge, as you can tell. Alright, well, anything else, we'll be back. Well, here we are, hitting another bank. And I got a leaky boot, my foot's getting wet. But I got something washing around down here in the waves. I hope it's whole, 'cause man, oh yes it is. Oh yeah. That's a pretty little thing. Well, I guess I'll stick it in my pocket and keep on looking. Alrighty. Well, I guess we might see you a little later. We got a couple more banks to hit. Alright, bye now. I'm not sure, but I think I got another one down here. Looks like it's got a broken tip. Oh yeah. Yeah, sure does. Oh well. We'll keep on looking. Yep. It's all over but the crying. Well, here's what we wound up with today. Mr. B got him a few there. Got him a little scraping, a little turtleback. Some broken bases and tips gone. I did wind up finding a couple complete ones. I had a little scraper there, but this one here, it's not bad. And then this one here, still got the, it's been worked off instead of broken. Crazy looking point, but probably an Adina. Shame on that drill. But that's it for today. And I think we even had a few 2.5, 3 foot waves out there on us. That was just a little bit hairy in a 16 foot. But we'll try to get out again soon, and we'll talk to you later on. Thanks for watching and all your commenting. So I will see y'all later. Bye.